Hey guys, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name is Michael Evans. I'm a photographer in the Cincinnati area. And today I'm going to start something new. I'm calling it Walk and Roll, where I take a walk and shoot one roll of film. I'm doing this to get better with film in general, and hopefully this will help me. And if you like it, please like and subscribe as it helps a ton. But without further ado, let's get into it.
Get you in the groove. I feel so alive, don't mean to be rude, but if you don't, you should really get in tune. No bad attitude. Smile, baby, that's your best attribute. Cheese, let me show some gratitude. I feel too good to ever be mad at you. This is how we get up. This is how it goes down. Had no time to feel bad, so put it round upside down. Good, real good, feel good. Make it feel good. Feel good to look better. So grade A, straight to the letter. We gon' have a good time, so go ahead, get it together. This is just what you love. This is just what you need. So no, baby, don't front. Give me that good energy. This is how we get up. This is how it goes down. Had no time to feel bad, so put it round upside down.
If you don't know now, that's the only way I do it. Backyard boogie got the whole party moving. Drop top 6'4", pulling up grooving. Vogue's on that thing, 4-finger rings. Gold on my neck, a couple diamonds in my chain. Cutie with the body looking oh so fine. Won't play it like a hobby, she know I'm on the grind. I don't need no introduction to get a lot further if you follow these instructions. I've been at the park since the youngin', jumping off the porch, right into the function. Just say you know a lot means nothing. I'm from where you gotta show me something. To either be about it or you're bluffing. Style like this don't come a dime a